Hello guys, welcome to my channel and how to recycle bin remove from the registry. So first click to start, type run and then type registry REGEDIT and then click to OK. Then click yes for the administrator access. OK. Then current user, extract this. Now software, extract. Now find out the Microsoft, extract this. You can see this is the URL automatically generating. Then Windows, scroll down, Windows, extract, then current version, extract, and then Explorer, come to E series, Explorer, extract, and then hidden desktop icon, H for hidden desktop icon, extract, then new steel panel. Okay, then right click the new start panel, otherwise right click, you can here new and DWRD 32 value, click on it and then enter the value, this 64, this and last. Okay, and then click to, then guys double click and enter the one means hide, and if you want to show again back, to open this and select the type 0 and then click to OK. So 1 means hide and 0 means show the recycle bin. Okay, then restart and then please check. Thank you.